Hello, let me show you all gestures controls that you can use on Redmi Buds 6. And first of all, I want to show you where it's located because as default, it's actually not set up. So you have to manually switch and set up all of these gestures. So you will have to open this Xiaomi earbuds application, go into gestures, and here we can actually change songs. So we can turn previous or next song. We can also volume up and volume down, and we can play and a pause. And you can get it for single tap, double tap, triple tap, and there's also option to wake the voice assistant of your phone or to switch between the noise modes, noise cancellation, transparency, and you can turn it off. And this is all for media controls, but there's also some calls controls. So if you are gonna double tap like that, and there's call on the way, you can just answer into this phone call. If you want to reject phone call, you will have to triple tap, and it works the same for the left and the right one. But if you are in the call and you want to hang up, you have to double tap like that. And this is actually all controls that you can use on this device.